got me up all night, putting things on the side.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a home reset video. We had a few things I wanted to get done around the house, so I'm going to be sharing that with you today. We're going to be doing some cleaning. I'm going to be sharing a grocery haul with you guys, and we're going to go ahead and declutter and reorganize my laundry room shelf and then deep clean my laundry room.
All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind?
I do want to thank all of you guys for your prayers and your kind messages on the passing of my grandfather. And thank you for giving me time to heal and just kind of be in my own world for a bit. But I am feeling a lot better, and I miss you guys, and I miss creating and staying active here on social media because you guys are a big part of my world, and just communicating with you guys over on Instagram or in the comments, and just all of that stuff makes me feel better, and I enjoy that part of my life. So it's been missed, and I'm glad to be posting again today, and I will see you guys down in the comments.
Emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know, tell me, what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know, tell me, what do you have in mind?
So I had a stain here on my rug, and I don't know if it was like toothpaste or something, but it would not come up when I tried to just scrub it up with a cloth. So I went ahead and put on the Folex stain remover spray and used my Scrub Daddy and just scrubbed that right up. It eventually came up. So I wanted to catch up on some laundry. I like to try and keep it under control as much as possible. So I'm just going ahead and washing a couple of loads of laundry today. So today's video is sponsored by BetterHelp in honor of Mental Health Awareness Month. So even though it's not May anymore, it does not mean that we cannot raise awareness around mental health and fight the stigma and provide support for anyone struggling with their mental health. This is definitely something that we should be doing all year long. This year's theme is Together for Mental Health, sharing personal stories in hopes of encouraging others to prioritize their mental health. So I've shared over the years a little bit of my mental health and my struggles with anxiety, depression, and some of you guys have also reached out to me and shared that you struggle in that area also. So I thought that this would be a great way to advocate for mental health. Another big thing of Mental Health Month is advocating for access to mental health care. This has long been one of BetterHelp's goals. They offer customized online therapy that includes video, phone, and even live chat sessions with your therapist. So you don't have to see anyone on camera if you don't want to. BetterHelp is more affordable than traditional offline therapy. You can apply for financial aid during the sign-up process, and they accept HSA benefits. They have a broad range of expertise and over 20,000 therapists network that gives you access to help that may not be in your area. You just fill out a questionnaire to help assess your specific needs. Then you get matched with a therapist in under 48 hours. Then you'll schedule your secure video and phone sessions. Plus you can exchange unlimited messages and everything you share is completely confidential. You can request a therapist at no additional charge at any time. If you or someone you know is struggling, please share BetterHelp with them. You can use my link to get 10% off your first month at betterhelp.com. That's help, HELP.com. Thank you, BetterHelp, for teaming up with me today to spread awareness around mental health. So what I'm doing here is we're going to go ahead and remove everything off of my shelf. I wanted to refresh this area. It is just cluttered and it's been messy like this for a long time. So I wanted to make it pretty. I bought a couple of things that I've just been hanging on to that I haven't put up yet that I wanted to use in here. So we're going to do that in a future video or later on this summer. Hopefully I can get around to replacing this shelf. I want to, demolish it, like completely take it down because I spilt some bleach on it and that bleach had like seeped through the wood. So I want to remove this shelf and then just put a couple of different types of wood up as shelves. And I also want to paint the wall because I do not like the baby blue anymore. And yeah, so there's like some patterns and some different ideas I've been looking at on doing in here. But I think the biggest thing is just getting rid of this shelf.
Struggling to come through. We had a fire that we watched burn out. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind. I hate to separate my body and mind. My body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind. Demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind. Demons pushing all my triggers. Surprise, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do.
All right, you guys, so I just picked up my grocery order from Fry's, which is a Kroger's brand. I always want to let you guys know because some states they don't have Fry's, but they have like Kroger's shopping centers. I went ahead and sectioned it out. I put snacks over on this side, then I put fruit over here. I put like lunch and breakfast stuff over here, and then all of our drinks over here. So first things first, we went ahead and picked up a bag of tortilla chips, some Cheez-Its. We needed to restock up on those. I got Ava some fruit snacks along with these Cliff Kid Z-bars. And then I picked up some of the Zone Perfect protein bars. These right now are like my favorite snacks, you guys. All of these flavors, the cinnamon churro, the apple cinnamon, and the sweet and spicy chili. These are mini rice cakes and they're so good. So these are just a few items to restock up on like snacks, fruits. We like to stock up on our fruits weekly, and then some things that we needed in the house. I wanted to get a lot of drinks just because it's about to be summer break for Ava. It's already summer break for Isaiah, and it's just getting really hot here in Arizona. So I got lots of drinks for that reason. So over here we have some candy, some fun treats. My mom is also here, so she is enjoying some of these treats with us too. We like to do like movie nights and things like that. And then I got some easy Lunchables for Ava. I went ahead and picked up some Band-Aids for her. And then I got these grapes, but I don't know, I order on an app, so sometimes when I buy something, it's kind of hard to tell. Like I just put grapes. And these are the ones they gave me, but I've never had these grapes before. Let me see. They're, I guess, raisin. I don't know. They're just black seedless grapes, but they just seem different to me. I don't know, you guys. Anyway, I got some spinach, mandarin oranges, a couple of cans of those. We got a pineapple back here. I picked up some apples, the little cuties or the halo oranges, along with some regular oranges. We got some kiwis, strawberries, cucumber, and carrots. And then I got some sausage. I'm actually gonna be making some more egg bites, so I wanted to grab a few things for that. And I just realized I don't have my egg whites, so I'll have to check my receipt. Oh no. So I got sausage, bacon, and then 2 things of turkey sandwich meat. I'm gonna be making some of those homemade pinwheels also, where I like wrap them up with the spinach tortilla, some spinach, cheese, and the sandwich meat. So I'm gonna be making those too. And those will probably be in my next video. I'm not gonna do it today, but they are gonna be in one of my next videos. And then I got some shredded cheese, sour cream, 2 loaves of bread. So then some block cheese, hot dog buns, hot dogs. And then as far as drinks, I've been getting a lot of the zero, like not Diet Dr. Pepper or Diet Sprite, but like the Cokes, the Dr. Pepper Zero and the Sprite Zero. So that's right there. So I got some cans of Sprite Zero, along with the Gatorades. We've been getting those too. We started getting these when Ava was in soccer. She just had her last game last week. So we're done with soccer for the season, which is nice because it's getting really hot. It was getting hot then too. And so I went ahead and picked up these anyway, just because they're sugar-free, but they give you those electrolytes. I got some Dr. Pepper Zero, and then I got these since it's gonna be summer break. I don't know, this just reminds me of like summertime as a kid. We didn't get a lot of these types of things at home just because like my mom didn't want us to have a lot of sugar. But whenever I'd like go to someone's house or even like a field trip at school and it's like the weather's getting nicer and it's like field trip time, we would have Capri Suns. I always look forward to those. So I picked these up because we are getting into summer vacation. So I went ahead and picked up some more Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. We have a little bit left, so I just wanted to add that. And then the kids haven't really been eating as much cereal lately, so I didn't pick up any more. You guys see in my other grocery hauls, I'll usually pick up like 2 or 3 boxes, but they're just not going through the cereal. They're having other things for breakfast, so I just picked up a little bit. I also got some of this Simply lemonade. Then I went ahead and got some of this cran grape. This is the diet, so it has 5 calories and 1 gram of sugar. And then I got some pineapple juice. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away.
Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir.
that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out betterhelp.com. I will have that down below, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.